Introduce highlight features or overview summary for SPIEEK Portable Sauna Box, Personal Steam Sauna for Home with Steamer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: effortless installation and setup. Experience the ease of transforming any space into a personal retreat with our portable sauna for home. Designed for user-friendly assembly, this sauna box can be set up in just minutes without the need for any professional tools or assistance. The intuitive design ensures a hassle-free installation process, allowing you to enjoy a luxurious steam bath without any complicated procedures. 15-level heating. Enjoy a truly personalized sauna experience with our portable sauna. Equipped with a powerful 1000-watt heating element, it offers 15 adjustable temperature settings. The upgraded, thickened outlet tube ensures efficient heat distribution, allowing the sauna to reach up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit in just 8 minutes. With the included remote control, you can effortlessly adjust the temperature and timer without leaving the comfort of your infrared sauna. Durable and easy to maintain. Made from high-density sealing materials and waterproof Oxford, this portable sauna excels in heat retention and insulation, while being easy to clean. Free of harsh chemical odors, it's designed for long-lasting use. The premium 304 stainless steel steam generator is resistant to rust, while leak-proof technology and automatic shut-off protection ensure safe operation, even when the water level is low. Convenient portability and comfort. Designed with convenience in mind, this portable sauna is lightweight and easy to move, allowing you to set it up wherever you need it. The spacious interior offers ample room for comfortable relaxation, while the compact and foldable design ensures effortless storage when not in use. Additionally, our sauna is equipped with convenient features and accessories, enhancing your overall comfort and experience. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.